Hey guys, today in this video I'll be showing you how to make a wonderful chicken cannon. So this is what you'll need if you're building it in survival. Some repeaters, some redstone, a redstone torch to start your redstone clock, some dispensers depending how fast you want to go, 64 blocks of your choice, and then a bunch of eggs, which I'm just going to use spawn eggs for this tutorial since I'm a creative. Okay, horse, can you move? Thank you. And you don't need the chest, by the way. That's why I was just throwing all the items in. So first thing is you build up like this. It doesn't really matter how high you go. For this tutorial, I'm going to go like about this high. And then delete your tower. If you're in survival, I recommend doing this last unless if you're feeling like MLG water bucket. Okay. Now we're going to fly back up. And now we need to make a little container around this box. So let's quickly do that. Okay. And now what you need to do is make you need to put a block to remind you or you can just, you don't really have to have a block to break, but I like to have one. So I think I'm going to use this for my reminder block to punch it out. It doesn't really matter. But that's the block I'm going to punch it out from. Okay. And now let's just build this up some more. Okay, that should be good. I'm gonna punch out the floor real quick so I can put a dispenser right here, because I want this to dispense a lot, and when I say a lot, I mean a lot of chickens. Not just a few, a lot. Yeah, I mean a lot. You don't have to make yours dispense this many. I just like having a lot of dispensers and stuff. And if you're building this in survival, it's going to require a lot of dispensers if you want to do this much, and a lot of eggs. Okay, why are you facing this way, sir? Can you face inside the... I said inside... Sir, I said inside the pen. Oh, oops. Okay. And now, I'm just going to hook up my redstone. The redstone is honestly quite simple. You just really just go like this. Actually, wait, no. Since you need a repeater leading into them, it needs to be 2 out going from every dispenser like this. So I'm just going to quickly do this. I keep on misplacing the blocks. Oh, and now I'm actually not going to use that dispenser since it's going to block the thing and stuff. But the other ones I am going to use. Okay. Okay, I think I have 2 leading from every one. Wait, no, I need something to power the bottom. So for the bottom, what I do to power it is I just kind of sneak down the redstone signal right here. And then go down. And then why did you not place down? Connect that. And let me turn to day real quick. Okay, now it's day. I'm gonna just put a block right here just because it looks good. You don't have to. And now you just have to like make a ring around all these. Kind of like this. Oh, and I messed up the thing right here. Okay. And power that. Thank you. I'll put one more block just because I can. Now, you don't actually have to do it right here because there's none right here. But basically just repeat the ring on everything. Why am I building an extra one out? But it's really quite simple with all the redstone. I mean, it's at least simple for me. I don't know how simple like it is going to be for you, but with the tutorial, it should be pretty good. And yeah. And now you're probably wondering how we hook this all up. Well, that's kind of no problem when you can literally just go something like, come to the back here. And then we can literally just go like this. This. Then this. Wait. Yeah, wait. Place. Right there. And now we just need to hook up some redstone. So, nope, I did not mean to do that. You just hook them all up. I keep on clicking at the dispenser instead of the actual block where I'm trying to place it. And basically just do this for every dispenser. Maybe a little harder to do if you're in survival. Come on, get in there. Okay. Almost done. I clicked the dispenser again. Make sure they're all leading into the dispensers, okay? Because that can lead to some problems if they're not. Okay, we actually need to... Come on down. Thank you for coming down. I'm just gonna quickly connect this up. Don't want it to be too long. Okay. Almost done wiring it up. Come on, wire up. Okay, almost done wiring it up, even though I already said that. But now we're really almost done wiring it up. Basically just put redstone on every other block. And yeah, once you put it on all the other blocks, to link up all the dispensers. We're gonna need to test how far the signals can go, because redstone only has a certain amount of strength until it can't power it anymore. So now that we're getting power to everywhere, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bring a little path from right here. Now this is where I'm gonna make my redstone clock. You don't have to make it in the same area that I am. I'm just making it right here. This is basically just to make it so you don't have to constantly click a lever or something. Oh, also make sure you have a block to start your thing up like this. But since I'm kinda can't, like, if you're playing on like mobile like I am, then you're probably gonna have to use a lever because you can't really break blocks that fast. You have to like hold for a little to break it. Where am I looking for it? Lever. But most people can use a redstone torch because I can just go like that and then get it all started. Plus I don't actually have to break it, so. Okay, now that that's all hooked up, what I'm just gonna do instead is why do I keep on breaking the lever? Okay. Now you see we're getting power all throughout our first row, right? But we can't reach the bottom row. So that's why we're gonna need to put some redstone repeaters here. I'm just putting 2 on each side because it looks better. And then make sure like they're all getting powered. You see this one's just barely getting powered, but it's getting powered, so that's good. Basically make sure all the repeaters leading into the dispensers are on. Oh yeah, right. That's the only way to power it. Okay. Sorry if I'm not talking much while I'm like wiring this up and stuff. So now basically you'd basically just fill up all the dispensers and stuff. So I'm just gonna fill up one just to show you. Alright, spawn the chickens. And make sure they're dispensers, not droppers. Okay, we got another one. Okay, we only got 2 chickens, which is not enough. But I'm just gonna get some spawn eggs, so don't mind me. Okay, it's right there. I can actually get some more. Now this is a warning, it will be very laggy. So let me just put these all in here. Okay, let me set the time back to date again. And now basically just like let it spawn all the chickens. Now, as you may notice, I didn't fill up all my dispensers, but if you filled up all the dispensers, it would fill up a lot faster. Also, you'll know when it's starting to get really, full because, like, all the redstone ticks will start slowing down. Now, I'm just gonna, like, be right here so you can, like, see. You see how, like, the redstone ticks are kind of slowing down? that means the thing over there is filling up. So yeah, just gonna let her go for a little. Now you can see those redstone ticks are really starting to slow down, huh? That means our thing is filling up over there. Let's let it fill up a little more, huh? Okay, I think it's almost ready for us to let him go. Yeah, it's quite laggy. I can see them all in there. I can't hear the volume of them all, like all of their beakings, because I'm recording it right now. But you can see how much the redstone ticks are slowing down. And then when you decide it's about time, or if you want, like, you can really just go, like, place some or something, build a house or something while that fills up. Might require a little over a stack of the block of your choice, but okay. Oh, and also after this, I might possibly record a Epic Dude, so. By the way, Epic Dude is about to land somewhere, so that's why he still hasn't been uploading much. But I think it's about time to let these chickens free, huh? Okay, let's just break our blue plank over here. Be free, chickens. Right? Oh, there they go. Okay, I had to hit one. Oh, it's so weird. And the more you stack up, the farther they go. It's still shooting because it's still on, by the way. It's so weird. It's just like a chicken fountain. Well, that's about it for this episode, or video. Why am I saying episode? Bye. Oh, let me end the recording.